Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2026 Huawei Maextro S800 is not just another electric car, it is a bold statement about where technology and mobility are heading next. From the moment you see it, the S800 feels more like a moving smart device than a traditional vehicle. Huawei has taken everything it knows about connectivity, artificial intelligence, and premium design and wrapped it into a futuristic electric sedan that aims to challenge the biggest names in the luxury EV world. The exterior design of the Maextro S800 is sleek, confident, and extremely modern. The body lines are smooth and aerodynamic, clearly shaped to reduce drag and improve efficiency at high speeds. The front features a clean, minimalist look with advanced LED lighting that adapts automatically to driving conditions. Flush door handles, a panoramic glass roof, and large aerodynamic wheels give the car a premium presence that looks equally impressive in the city or on the highway. Step inside the 2026 Huawei Maextro S800 and the cabin feels like a high-end tech lounge. The interior focuses on space, comfort, and digital intelligence. A wide panoramic display stretches across the dashboard, seamlessly blending the instrument cluster, infotainment system, and passenger screen into one fluid interface. Materials are soft touch, premium, and carefully finished, with ambient lighting that changes based on driving mode, music, or time of day. At the heart of the S800 experience is Huawei's advanced Harmony OS-powered cockpit. This system connects effortlessly with smartphones, smart homes, wearables, and cloud services. Voice commands are natural and fast, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate, music, and even external smart devices without taking their hands off the wheel. The AI assistant learns driver habits over time, adjusting seat positions, preferred routes, and entertainment choices automatically. Performance is another area where the Maextro S800 stands out. Built on a next-generation electric platform, the S800 is expected to deliver strong acceleration with smooth, silent power. Dual-motor configurations provide all-wheel drive capability, offering confident handling and stability in various road conditions. Whether cruising comfortably or accelerating hard, the power delivery feels refined and effortless, matching the car's luxury character. Battery technology plays a major role in the appeal of the 2026 S800. Huawei's focus on energy efficiency and fast charging means drivers can expect a long driving range suitable for both daily commuting and long-distance travel. Advanced thermal management helps maintain battery health, while ultra-fast charging support allows significant range to be added in just minutes, reducing downtime and increasing convenience. One of the most impressive aspects of the Maextro S800 is its intelligent driving system. Packed with cameras, radar, lidar, and powerful computing hardware, the car supports advanced driver assistance features that make driving safer and less stressful. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automated parking, and traffic-aware navigation work together smoothly. On highways, the system can handle complex scenarios with confidence, while in urban environments it helps reduce fatigue during stop-and-go traffic. Safety has clearly been a top priority in the development of this vehicle. The S800 uses a reinforced body structure combined with intelligent safety software that constantly monitors surroundings and driver behavior. In emergency situations, the car can react faster than a human, applying brakes or steering adjustments to avoid collisions whenever possible. Over-the-air updates ensure that safety systems continue to improve long after purchase. The 2026 Huawei Maextro S800 is also designed to be future-ready. Software updates regularly introduce new features, refine performance, and enhance user experience without requiring a visit to the dealership. This approach turns the car into a living product that evolves over time, similar to a smartphone, keeping it fresh and competitive for years. In the end, the Huawei Maextro S800 represents a new kind of luxury electric vehicle, one that blends elegant design, strong performance, and deep digital intelligence into a single package. It is aimed at drivers who value innovation as much as comfort and want their car to be an extension of their digital lifestyle. If Huawei delivers on its vision, the 2026 Maextro S800 could redefine expectations and become a serious player in the premium electric sedan market. We'll see you next video.